If you're thinking about a new festive sauce to serve with a roast chicken or capon, Martínez Montiño suggests this delightful pomegranate sauce. To make it, we need these ingredients. It calls for 2 pomegranates. We're going to make it with just 1. Sugar, I think he calls for 2 ounces of sugar, so we'll have that. A little red wine, some slivers of cinnamon stick, and he calls for 3 whole cloves. We'll just use 1. Okay, so first cut open the pomegranate and remove the seeds and also take out any extra skin, and then press the seeds in the sieve so that the juice passes through. So when done, we had about 2/3 of a cup of juice. Okay, so we're going to add in then the 1 pomegranate gave us 2/3 of a cup, and so we're going to add in another, let's call it 1/3 of a cup of the red wine. A little sliver of cinnamon, clove, and then the 1 ounce of sugar, 2 tablespoons, and we'll bring that to a boil. We reduced the sauce by about half. In the meantime, the bird was roasting in the oven. The sauce had a lovely fruit and wine flavor with the spices adding a nice depth, and it looks spectacular on the plate. As always, let us know what you think. Bye.